They are coming for your crypto. Make no mistake about it. In the 1700s, Baron Rothschild said the quote that you've probably heard before. This is a pretty famous quote. He said, "It's time to buy when there's blood in the streets." And he followed that one sentence up with another one that I'm going to tell you in a second. But when I said they're coming for your crypto, who is they? Well, there's a lot of market manipulators out there, big institutions that want your crypto. They see the future with it. They're buying your crypto. This is their last real chance. In my opinion, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research. But in my opinion, this week is their last chance to get crypto before it goes up. Now, is it going to go up? I don't know. Are we moving into a bear market? Is this the beginning of it? It could be. But I don't think that, all right? So they are coming after your crypto. Let me just show you this. This is this morning. This is a one-day chart. There is nothing but red. Red everywhere, 10, 12, 14%. I got crushed overnight in a couple trades that I'll talk to you about in a second. But this is what it looks like. And now you have fear and greed. You know, we've gone to neutral, edging towards the edging a little bit more towards the fear piece, and we could get there today. You look at the liquidations. A lot of these shorts have been liquidated, or the longs have been liquidated. You know, like I said yesterday in yesterday's video, if you haven't watched it, take a quick look. I said they're gonna look to capture all of this and then move up and then capture the shorts. They are after your liquidity. They're after your Bitcoin. Now, what you do at this time is going to decide your fate in the future. Now, let me show you one more thing. This is Bitcoin, okay? This right here, I don't know if you can see that, and I don't know if it's big enough, but I'll just tell you, look, we dipped below that 91.5 level. We've bounced back up to about 9,100. There's a long way to go down, potentially, if we can't hold that candle above that 91.5. I don't know. It might break through today, but I think this was a shakeout. That's my opinion. I think they were shaking out. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video, I told you at the very beginning of this video that in the 1700s, Baron Rothschild, very, very famous, very, very wealthy individual, said, "It's time to buy when there's blood in the streets." I think I got that quote right. Let me just double check that I didn't mince it, because I do that all the time. It's time to buy when there's blood in the streets. And there's a second part to that quote, that's equally as important. And it says, even if it's your own blood. Even if it's your own blood. So you got wrecked, you're down here, and there's an opportunity. What do you do with that opportunity? Now, I am certainly not telling you. This is for my own self. This is like a video journal for me, because I got wrecked in a couple of positions, but the opportunity still presents itself. So I'm looking at some leveraged longs this week. I'm just going to be very, very careful, because it's going to be a very, very volatile week. There's lots of economic data coming out. As we saw last Friday, that JOLTS report had wreaked havoc on the markets, wreaked havoc on crypto, on stocks, and things like that, bond market. So if there's blood in the streets, it's time to buy, even if it's your own blood. Even if it's your own blood. So that's where we're at. This is what I'm looking to do, is leverage. There's only a couple I'm paying attention to. I like Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, and that's pretty much it. I have some HBAR positions, but other than that, my bags, I have lots of bags of 20 to 30 different cryptos, but the things I'm paying attention this week are those ones. So that's all I got. Hope you got something out of this short video, and I'll see you next time.